I'm Stephanie with Meridian, and today we're talking about monitors, specifically open and closed frame monitors and how they're used for different kiosk applications. The monitor to my left is a closed frame monitor. As you can see, it features a sleek bezeled edge and is fully enclosed. Closed frame monitors are used in kiosk applications where the monitor is going to be exposed. There's many different manufacturers and sizes of closed frame touchscreens, but the one limitation is that they're generally always going to be used for indoor kiosk applications due to the fact that the screen would be exposed to the elements. At Meridian, we use closed frame touchscreens on our RTS, Navigator, G2, G3, iSeries, and iSeries DS standard kiosk models. The monitor to my right is an open frame monitor. As you can see, there's no finished bezel around this monitor and it's completely exposed. These monitors are designed to be fully contained within the kiosk enclosure. They also have many different manufacturers and sizes and come in a wide variety of options. As a general rule of thumb, an open frame monitor is going to be less expensive than a closed frame monitor because it doesn't have the finishing applied to it that the closed frame does. Because it's incorporated into the chassis and is enclosed by the kiosk enclosure, these can be used for indoor or outdoor applications. At Meridian, we use open frame monitors in our classic Presenza and G6 Plus indoor kiosk models and in our Presenza, Atlas, and Vic outdoor models. To learn more about what monitor would be the best for your kiosk application, visit our website at meridiankiosks.com or give us a call at 866-454-6757.